Hello and good morning. In this next Canvas tutorial, I will show you how to upload and link your lesson plans to our brand new Canvas LMS. The process is very simple, but it's slightly different than what we've had in previous LMSs, including Schoology. What I've done for our lesson plans, I've created a separate page to store our lesson plans. The easiest way to get to that is by clicking on the lesson plan link right here, or by navigating it through your pages and then seeing all your other pages. And I'll show you how to do that a little bit easier at a later date. But this is the easiest way is to go ahead and click on the lesson plans link right here. Once there, you'll notice that I've gone ahead and set it up for you based on per week. Now, the easiest thing for you to do first is you want to update your course name, and you can do that by clicking on the edit button. And you notice that I've gone ahead and just put the week 1, 2, 3. Eventually, as the weeks progress, you'll have to go ahead and type in, for example, week 5 here, and then so on and so forth as the weeks continue. But that's very simple to do that. And you don't have to do that all at once. You can if you'd like, but I just went ahead and did the first 4 weeks. Now, obviously, we're not going to be in week 1 and 2, but I put that there for reference. Whenever you do any kind of editing within this page, make sure to hit the save button. Now, before I can link that, I need to upload my lesson plans to my files. So now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and go to Files here on the left-hand side. Now, to make things easier for my students, I want my lesson plans in a specific folder. So I'm going to go ahead and create an additional folder. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my root folder, and you'll see 2 other folders here that are already been created. I don't want to put my lesson plans here, but I do want a new folder within this root folder. So I'm going to click on the AP US Government Politics and hit the plus folder button. You'll notice that it puts up a new place that I can type. I'm going to put in lesson plans. And then hit the green check mark. Now I have a brand new folder right here, and you can see it. I'm going to click on this, and now you can see the folder is empty. And now I want to upload my lesson plans. Now, I'm going to pull that open. I'm going to go to my lesson plans in AP Government. And you can see here all my different lesson plans. And I'm going to go ahead, and I have my lesson plans for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 because they're different weeks. And you probably have the same thing. So I'm just going to click on this. Now, what you can do, if you already have your lesson plans created for the year, you can upload these all at once. But I'm just going to do one. And that's how quick and easy it is. Now, this is a Google Docs lesson plan. It's still going to work. It's still going to take them out to the appropriate information. I could have created a link if I wanted to, but that's up to you. Now, what I'm going to do is go back to my home page, or actually, I will show you how to get there through Pages. I'm going to click on Pages, and you'll notice it takes me to the home page, but I want to view all pages. Here's all the different pages. You can see there's my welcome page, my front page, and now I'm going to click on lesson plans. Again, you could have went to home and went to lesson plans, but you could do it either way. Now, being at the first week, now the one thing that we're going to have to figure out, and we'll have to talk to administration about this, is if it's the first week of August or if it's week 1 of the school year. So if we have to, we can change these. It's very simple. We might change this and get rid of this and get rid of these weeks. Completely up to administration, and they'll let us know. And I'm going to delete that, and I'm just going to put in week 1 here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this. I want to turn this into a hyperlink. So now that I've done that, I'm going to do the same thing I've done in the previous tutorial. I'm going to go to Files. I'm going to go to Lesson Plan folder, and there it is. Click on that, and now I've created that into a hyperlink. Now, when I ever click on this, it will take me to the appropriate file. Now, you can do this with anything. If you have, maybe you use the OnLive Google Docs, you can turn this into a link, an external link, which is completely fine. All I do is go to Edit, once again highlight it, and then there's my link button. And I go ahead and put in the URL to the appropriate code. That's all you have to do to update your lesson plans. If you have any other questions regarding lesson plans, please feel free to shoot me an email, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.